Hi everyone, Bella here from the Roving Ballards. When people see the bus, one of the first comments we get is, "Oh my God, you have a dishwasher?" Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I insisted on it. I'm going to show you guys the dishwasher today, kind of let you know sort of how it works and what we think about it. Stay tuned. Okay, so first you have to open the dishwasher drawer. We have this set where it will lock. That way on travel days we don't have to worry about it sliding open. Just push the button. It unlocks. As you can see, it has quite a bit of space in there. I love this because everything kind of flips up and down and those slide back and forth. So you can put bigger, large, or smaller plates in. These actually fold down. So you could put pots and pans. On each side we have these extra shelves, and those are adjustable. You can adjust those up and down too. It's usually where I keep my cups and stuff. These over here the same way. This one has a nice little place for your knives. Right in front here, which is a little difficult to get, is the cutlery basket. I wish it was a little smaller or didn't have the handle one. That's a little awkward, but it works. It works good. Your detergents go here in front. I use pods, so they go over in the side, right down on the side there. Okay, so the dishwasher has quite a few cycles, different cycles that you can go through, delicate cycles. So this would be if you had a lot of fine china or something in there. I don't have anything like that, so I never use that cycle. There is just a rinse cycle. Heavy, which would be really dirty pots and pans and that sort of thing. A normal cycle. Eco. And my favorite, the fast cycle. We also have options such as an extra dry cycle, a quick cycle, as well as a sanitized setting. Okay, dishes are all loaded up, ready to wash. Please overlook my dirty dishes. Got my detergent pod right down there. Don't know if you guys can see it or not. Right there on the side. Close it up. And I already have it set to a fast mode, which is kind of the way I like to wash them. Just push my little button. It locks it and gets started.
Watchdog.
Okay, so according to our Watchdog Surge Protector, this is about what we're running right now with the dishwasher going. It's pretty energy efficient for a dishwasher. Okay, so the 600 and whatever watts I showed you earlier, that's pretty much peak when the dishwasher's going. It usually runs pretty low. Don't know if you guys can see that there. Up to 22.6. It fluctuates a little, but it doesn't run the full 600 and whatever the whole time. Okay, so you can see the countdown timer is counted down to 3 minutes. It is rinsing. There is a timer that you can set to go off at the end. I think I have that set, I don't really remember. So it'll beep when it's done, and all the dishes will be nice and clean and dry. Okay, so what's our final analysis of the dishwasher drawer? How do we feel about it?
Love it.
Love it. So why do we love it?
For one, the low energy. It doesn't take that much wattage to run. And the most it runs is like 600 and something watts.
641.
And that's just for a short period of time. It doesn't run that the whole time. So that's really nice.
Right. I love that it doesn't use much water. So 1 to 2 gallons per load, not per cycle, per load. You heard us correctly. I think it's absolutely perfect for 2 people. It's the perfect amount of space. We usually run it about once a week, depending on how much we're cooking, and if we cook a lot of things that require 3 or 4 dishes, or 5 or 6 pots or pans, then we do it more often. But all in all, Fisher Paykel,
Yes.
we love it.